Hi everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make everybody's favorite food, rajma. Wash and soak rajma or kidney beans for at least 7 hours or over. Okay, after it's soaked for more than 7 hours, put it in a pressure cooker and allow it at least 5 whistles are what we needed. Now that's for you all to decide. The point is until it is cooked and until it is cooked soft. Now we have opened the cooker because the pressure is down. The rajma is soft and well cooked. This is how we need it. Just see. Now puree the chopped tomatoes in a mixer. Finely chop the onion. Take green chilies, garlic and ginger in the mixer and grind it to a paste. Crush the fennel seeds and coriander seeds in a mortar and pestle. Crushing, as you know, gives a beautiful aroma and taste. Now let's heat ghee in a vessel. When the ghee is hot, add jeera or cumin seeds and the whole spices. When the cumin seeds crackle, add the onions which are chopped fine. Mix well and let's saute until the onions turn golden brown. No, I'm sorry. Not just golden brown, properly browned. Browning the onions is the key here. The onions have now turned brown and now we are adding ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Give it a stir for a minute until its raw smell of the garlic goes.
Now to this we'll add red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and amchur powder. And now we are adding the masala, that is fennel seeds and coriander seeds that we had crushed in mortar and pestle.
Fry until the masalas are browned very well and then add the ground tomatoes. Make sure that they are browned. But take care not to burn them. Mix well and stir. Stir for about 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook for 7 minutes, stirring intermittently. After 7 minutes, open the lid. The tomatoes are cooked. Add some salt now. And add the cooked rajma along with the water in which it was cooked. Mix well. Add a small portion of the coriander leaves now. Cover and cook on a slow flame for about 15 minutes. Stir intermittently and add water, hot water. After 15 minutes, wow, the rajma is looking and smelling yummy. Now give it a stir for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now the rajma is ready to be served and here we serve it. Garnish with coriander leaves. Wow, serve it with chawal, rajma chawal, our favorite. Do give this a try. and let us know your feedback about this. If you like this video, do subscribe, share and comment here. Bye for
Do
now.
not forget
See
to
you with another
subscribe to our
wonderful
channel
video. Bye.
and press the bell icon for